Young rabbits Hoppy, Floppy, and Cottontail were playing near the whispering stream. They wished they had something special for their adventure game. They were pretending to be brave sailors on a grand ship. Friendly Beaver Builders was repairing a small part of Builder's dam nearby. Builders saw the young rabbits using leaves as hats for their game. Builders smiled a knowing beaver smile. Builders asked the rabbits if they needed something special for their sailing adventure. Hoppy, Floppy, and Cottontail explained about their pretend ship and needing sailor hats. Builders had a rectangular piece of paper, strong and smooth. Builders said they could make paper hats. Simple paper hats were perfect for pretend play and made you feel like a real sailor, Builders explained with a tap of Builder's tail. Hoppy, Floppy, and Cottontail twitched their noses with excitement. How could paper become a hat? Builders showed them the rectangular paper. First, fold the rectangular paper in half, folding the shorter edges together, Builders instructed steadily. This made a fold along the middle. Now, fold the top corners down to meet the center fold, like making the roof of a house, Builders guided. Hoppy helped smooth the folds. Next, fold the bottom edge of the front layer upwards, creasing it firmly against the angled edges, Builders showed. Floppy used Floppy's paws to press it flat. Turn the hat over. Fold the bottom edge of the back layer upwards, just like you did the front, Builders said. Cottontail made the fold on the back. Almost done. We just need to secure it, Builders chirped. Tuck the corners of the folded bottom edge into the little pockets created by the side folds. Tuck both the front and the back corners in. And there it was. A simple paper hat. It had a peak and folded sides, looking just like a classic sailor's cap. Hoppy put the paper hat on Hoppy's head. It fit. Floppy and Cottontail were amazed. Builders quickly folded 2 more paper hats from other pieces of paper. Now all 3 young rabbits had paper hats. They looked like a crew of brave sailors. They went back to their pretend ship, which was a big fallen log near the stream. Wearing their paper hats, their adventure felt even more real. They saluted each other with their new hats. Making the paper hats was quick and fun. Learning a simple craft from Builders felt helpful. And having special hats made their playtime even more imaginative. The paper hats sat jauntily on their heads, ready for any adventure the stream or meadow might bring. Maybe you can try folding a paper hat too. Imagine the adventures you could have as you fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of exciting journeys and fun paper hats. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that making simple things can add big fun to your games and your imagination. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments what kind of hat you would make.